Welcome back. Today we will practice asanas that will help open our Manipura Chakra. It will enhance our Manipura Chakra, the solar plexus, and activate it. So let's get started. First, Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. It helps activate the Manipura Chakra by incorporating poses that stimulate the abdominal and core areas, which are associated with this chakra, and by promoting a sense of vitality and inner power. The Manipura chakra, located in the solar plexus area, is associated with personal power, self-esteem, willpower, and digestion. The sequence of Surya Namaskar involves stretches and twists that can help to open and balance the energy flow in the solar plexus area. Pressure created on chakras aids the release of toxins into the bloodstream. The contraction and relaxation of chakras caused by the sequence of poses in Surya Namaskar and the pressure and stretch caused on the chakras helps in efficient supply of pure blood with nutrients to the respective organs. Focusing on breath and intention during Surya Namaskar can deepen the connection to the body and enhance the activation of the chakra. Next is Parivritta Trikon Asana, the revolved triangle pose. It stimulates the Manipura Chakra, the solar plexus, which is associated with personal power, confidence, and willpower, by engaging the core and twisting the spine, thus activating and balancing the energy in that area. Located in the solar plexus area between the diaphragm and the navel. The revolved triangle pose, which stimulates the abdominal organs and core muscles. The pose requires core engagement to maintain balance and stability, which helps to activate and strengthen the Manipura chakra. The spinal twist in the pose gently massages the abdominal organs, which can help with digestion and detoxification, supporting the Manipura chakra's energy. The pose can help in increased confidence, self-control, and sense of personal power, all qualities associated with balanced Manipura chakra. It also stretches and strengthens the legs, opens the chest to improve breathing, relieves mild back pain, and improves your sense of balance. Moving on to our next asana, the goddess pose, Utkat Kon Asana, directly engages the abdominal muscles and pelvic region, which is associated with the Manipura chakra. By opening the hips and engaging the core, the pose improves the flow of prana, the vital energy throughout the body, leading to a sense of vitality and increased energy levels. Next is warrior pose, Veerbhadrasana 1, 2 and 3. It can help activate the Manipura chakra by fostering a sense of power, confidence and grounding, which are key aspects of balanced Manipura chakra. The Manipura chakra, located in the solar plexus area, is associated with personal power, self-esteem and digestion. A balanced Manipura chakra allows for strong self-confidence, courage, and ability to take action. Warrior pose require a strong base and focus, which helps ground the practitioner and connect them to earth. The physical strength and stability needed to hold the warrior poses can build a sense of power and confidence, which are key aspects of balanced Manipura chakra. Warrior poses require strong focus and determination to hold the posture, which can help to cultivate a sense of willpower and self-discipline. In Warrior 1, it stimulates the root chakra, Muladhara, sacral chakra, the Swadhisthana, solar plexus, Manipura. It helps the practitioner access enough warrior energy to feel safe, secure, strong, and connected. In Warrior 2, it opens the hips and chest, which can help to release tension and promote a sense of openness and flow. In Warrior 3, it balances several chakras, but especially the root chakra Muladhara, and Manipura Chakra. The pose deepens grounded and steady roots, which creates balance in the root system of your being. The energy of the warrior increases confidence and power, which activates the Manipura Chakra. Moving on to our next asana, the Mukshvanasana, downward facing dog pose. It can help activate Manipura Chakra by stimulating the core and engaging the abdominal muscles, which are associated with the fire element and personal power, and by promoting circulation and grounding. Downward dog requires a strong engagement of the core muscles, including the abdomen, which is area associated with Manipura Chakra. The pose's action of pushing the hips up and engaging the core is believed to stimulate the fire element, which is associated with the Manipura Chakra and its qualities of strength. Downward facing dog improves blood circulation and can help ground the practitioner, which can be beneficial for balancing the Manipura Chakra and promoting a sense of stability and control. The pose stretches the hamstrings, calves, and spine while also strengthening the arms, shoulders, legs, which can help release tension and promote a sense of groundedness and strength. The Udya Bandha core lock can be practiced in downward facing dog, further stimulating the Manipura Chakra. Next, we have Kumbhakasana, the plank pose. It can help activate Manipura Chakra by promoting core strength, energy, and focus, which are all associated with the chakra's energetic benefits. Kumbhakasana requires significant core engagement and stability, which strengthens the muscles in the abdomen and lower back areas. Pose is known to boost energy and vitality, which aligns with the Manipura Chakra's role as the center of the personal power and vitality. Maintaining the plank pose demands focus and concentration, which can help balance the emotional and mental aspects associated with the Manipura Chakra. By strengthening the core and promoting stability, Kumbhakasana, also known as breath retention, can help to promote inner strength and spiritual upliftment, which is believed to activate the Manipura Chakra. Camel pose or Ustrasana strengthens the core muscles, which are located in the area of solar plexus. A strong core can help to ground and center energy, which is beneficial for Manipura Chakra. The deep back bend of camel pose encourages vulnerability, which can help release emotional blockages and allow for the free flow of energy in the solar plexus area. Being able to show vulnerability is essential for expressing oneself authentically and embracing one's unique expression. Ustrasana stretches the anterior muscles of the body, including the chest, hip flexors, and throat, which can improve flexibility and allow for a freer movement of energy throughout the body, including the Manipura Chakra area. While camel pose primarily helps in opening and activating Anahata Chakra, a heart opener, which will be our next chakra, can indirectly support the Manipura Chakra by strengthening the core, encouraging vulnerability, and stretching the front body, all of which contribute to a balanced and energized solar plexus area. The rhythmic movements of cat-cow pose gently massage the abdominal organs, including the digestive system, which can help improve digestion and energy levels. By stimulating the abdominal region, this pose helps to invigorate Agni, the digestive fire, which is crucial for processing food. Cat-cow pose encourages mindful breathing, which can help calm the mind, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of presence. The spinal movements in cat-cow pose helps to increase flexibility and promote the free flow of energy, the Prana, throughout the body, including the Manipura Chakra area. The pose can help to release tension and stagnant energy in the abdominal area, which can contribute to emotional balance and a sense of empowerment. By focusing on the breath and movements, practitioner can connect with their inner strength and power, which are qualities associated with Manipura Chakra. Moving on to our next asana, Ardha Matsyendra Asana, half spinal twist, helps activate the Manipura Chakra by stimulating the digestive system, liver, and gallbladder, which are associated with the chakra's energy and functions, while also improving spinal flexibility and promoting overall well-being. The Manipura Chakra, the twisting action of the pose, helps to stimulate the digestive organs, liver, and gallbladder, which are all connected to the Manipura Chakra. By stimulating these organs, Ardha Matsyendra Asana can improve digestion and metabolism. The pose also improves spinal flexibility and mobility, which can help to release tension and promote a better flow of energy throughout the body. Ardha Matsyendra Asana strengthens core muscles, which are important for maintaining good posture and stability, which in turn can enhance the feeling of power and confidence associated with Manipura Chakra. The twisting action can also help to stimulate detoxification, which can contribute to a sense of lightness and vitality. Ardha Matsyendra Asana also offers other benefits such as relieving stress and anxiety, improving blood circulation, strengthening the spine, improving posture. Moving on to our next asana, Naukasana. The boat pose activates the Manipura Chakra and is associated with solar plexus by engaging the core and abdominal muscles, stimulating the digestive system and promoting a sense of power and self-confidence. Naukasana primarily strengthens the core muscles including the rectus abdominis, obliques and transverse abdominis. The pose stimulates the digestive organs, promoting a healthy metabolism and aiding in the weight management. Naukasana is believed to enhance mental focus, willpower, and self-discipline, fostering a sense of determination and self-confidence. It improves balance, strengthens the back and abdomen, and tones the leg. By engaging the core, Naukasana stimulates the Manipura Chakra, which is located in the solar plexus area and is associated with personal power, willpower, and digestion. Moving on to our next asana, Supta Parivrit Sukhirandrasana. A restorative yoga pose can help activate Manipura Chakra by promoting a sense of grounding and awareness in the lower back and core. The supine position of the pose, combined with the gentle twist, can help ground the body and promote a sense of stability, which is beneficial for Manipura Chakra. The pose engages the core muscles, including the lower back and abdomen, which are directly related to Manipura Chakra's energy center. The twist in the pose can help tone the lower back and open the back of the shoulders, promoting flexibility and a sense of ease in the body, which can contribute to a more balanced and energized Manipura Chakra. The pose stretches the quadriceps and adductor muscles when you twist and move your legs, which helps in activating the Manipura Chakra. Moving on to our next asana, Dhanurasana or bow pose, activates the Manipura Chakra through the abdominal stretch and chest opening, fostering clarity of thought, empowerment, and confidence. The Manipura Chakra is located in the solar plexus area just above the navel and is associated with personal power, self-esteem, confidence, and willpower. The back bend in Dhanurasana stretches the abdominal muscles, which can stimulate the Manipura Chakra. The pose also opens the chest, which can help release tension and promote emotional well-being, further supporting the Manipura Chakra's function. Dhanurasana is known to massage the abdominal organs and stimulate the digestive fire, which is also linked to Manipura Chakra. A balanced Manipura Chakra can lead to increased mental clarity and focus. This chakra is associated with a sense of control and ability to take action, which can lead to greater empowerment. The pose stretches the chest, shoulder, thorax, hip flexors, and quads. Dhanurasana strengthens the back muscles, which can improve posture and reduce back pain. Regular practice of Dhanurasana can improve overall posture. The back bend can help release tension and promote relaxation. The chest opening can also help open the heart center, which is associated with love, compassion, and emotional healing. Our next asana is Balasana. The child's pose is primarily known for its grounding and calming effects. It can indirectly support the Manipura Chakra by promoting relaxation and releasing tension in the abdominal area, which can help balance the energy flow in that region. Child's pose or Balasana is a restorative pose that calms the mind and body. This can be beneficial for Manipura Chakra as stress and tension can block the flow of energy in this area, leading to imbalances. The forward bend in Balasana gently stretches the abdomen and hips, which can help release tension and stagnation in the area where the Manipura Chakra is located. Child's pose encourages deep, focused breathing, which can help to calm the mind and body and to center the energy in Manipura Chakra. It is important to note that while child pose can indirectly support Manipura Chakra, it's not a pose specifically designed to directly activate or stimulate it. Moving on to our next asana and the last asana, which is extremely important and must be done at the end of all yoga sessions, that is Shavasana. It acts as a crucial moment for deep relaxation, allowing the body to integrate the benefits of the practice by releasing tension, calming the mind, and resetting the nervous system. Shavasana activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digest response, counteracting the fight or flight mode stimulated by exercise. By lying still and focusing on sensations in the body, Shavasana enhances your awareness of physical sensations and promotes a deeper connection to your body. That was it. Practice yoga every day and we'll see you soon. Make sure you check out all the asanas which have been individually linked below in the description.